I've been a part of IT industry for last 20, 21 years. For the last 17 years, I have been working in Dubai for Emirates Airlines in the IT department.
Okay.
So my current role is basically of a project controller or a project manager. Basically, microservices and all, recent Java and something about containers and all. We all have an idea. We all work in bits and pieces because we definitely working for so long years. We get opportunities and we enhance our skill sets if you want to sustain in the market for a few more years, definitely. Then we have to be up to date with whatever is current things, whatever available in the market. So the thing is, we all had knowledge and all, but there is nothing which a concrete thing which we can utilize our skills further, or something which will give us more confidence in the market if we try ourselves. The thing is, we have been doing this coding and all this testing and defect fixing everything, plus then we moved on to managing the applications on the application servers and deploying everything and managing the application and the communication and all these kind of clusters and nodes and multiple servers, remote invocation, all such things. So if I wanted to take that thing a further ahead, then Kubernetes was something which suits very much to my profile because I was already managing the servers and applications over clusters and nodes and all. So when Dockers and all came in, and when Kubernetes came in on top of that, so this is something which I thought we all should plan. And though we have a knowledge, high level knowledge, but there is something in-depth knowledge, some training or something is very much required. So one thing is to enhance my skills, and obviously to stay up to date in the market. I thought is like containers, Dockers, Kubernetes is the next best thing, because there are many others in market, but you know it was not that catchy, which is because there is, I think, YouTube is there anytime we can go and learn, and there is me and all. But something which we heard later about K21 after our initial session with Atul, because it was a free session where he
Hmm.
guided us then how it is going to be. It's like a hands-on with a faculty, a trainer who is going to be with us and teach us A to Z with with our labs and all. So this is
Hmm.
something which I thought we didn't find anywhere else at that time. It's like a typical developer's mentality, unless until a task is assigned to us, no developer will put an effort to go and learn things. Okay. I did still many things I've learned on my own, but we don't get to implement that. Okay. That's why we tend to be a bit lazy. Okay, fine. Everything is available. Okay, fine. I can do it next month. I can do it 6 months later. Blah, blah, blah. There are many reasons to avoid such things. But we thought if only when we enroll something, we pay something, for something, we'll be much serious about it. And this is something definitely going to help us. Though we can learn on our own, but we'll not get that guidance of a professional trainer. Yes, very much. Actually, it is more than what I think we expected, because the session with Atul was very encouraging. Atul explained what we are going to get it, but to experience that a real time, and the entire course, everything was explained to us, and the sessions also, it followed in a very proper sequential manner, the Dockers and then Kubernetes and all the topics were covered very well with hands-on lab on every topic. Okay, and then it was very well planned actually, in because for working guys and all, definitely only weekends we can spare, right? So that also, and the faculty she was super actually. Was very calm, very patient. You ask no matter how many questions, she'll explain. And then we had some bonus sessions also, wherein all our doubts on exam preparation, how to apply, what all to study, what all questions, etc., etc. So basically it was a complete package. So but it was more than what we expected. Says the course, the curriculum, whichever we covered basically, is more than sufficient if you practice only the questions which K21 provides. You will be able to clear the certificate. You should understand what is a cluster, what is node, what is a virtual machine, how things work. That is one thing which I'll ask, or advise everybody to go through the basic knowledge. Second is, if you're going through K21, definitely the CK study material, the course and everything, it covers A to Z, everything, whatever is required to pass or clear your certification. We have to at least twice or thrice browse through and practice all the hands-on labs of all the uh, Kubernetes, basically, modules. That is something which I did like 3 or 4 times. All the activity guides of all the modules, I think right from module 7 till 14 or whatever. Uh, we have to go through that. And then later, there are additional, like I said, 3 or 4 question sets are there that you have to go through, practice basically hands on.